In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change permissions from Edit to View in Microsoft Loop. If you've shared a Loop page or component and you want people to see it without making changes, this quick walkthrough will help you switch from editing access to view-only access with confidence. The process is the same, whether you're working with a full page or an individual component. Start by opening the Loop app in your browser and navigating to the page you want to adjust. Make sure you're on the exact page or component that's currently shared, so the settings you change apply to the right content. Next, look to the top right corner and select Share. Depending on your interface, this may look like a person icon, a link icon, or a button labeled Share. Clicking it will open the sharing panel where your existing share link appears. If you already created a link for collaborators, you'll see it here. If not, you can generate one and then adjust its settings. Inside the sharing panel, find the option for link settings or simply settings. This may appear as text beneath the link or as a small gear icon. Open it to view the permissions for the selected link. You'll see a permission drop-down that typically reads Can Edit. Change this to Can View. This switches the link to view only, so anyone who accesses your content through that link will be able to read and navigate, but not type, move, or delete anything. Look for an Apply or Save button if it appears, and confirm your choice to make the change stick. You can also choose who the view-only link applies to. If you want the most control, pick specific people and enter the intended recipients so only they can open it. If you're sharing broadly inside your company, select people in your organization. And if your administrator allows it, you can choose anyone with the link for easy external viewing. Keep in mind that your organization's policies may limit some options, so choose what aligns with your needs and what's permitted. That's it. Your link now enforces view-only access, which is perfect for announcements, finalized documents, or anything you don't want edited. If you previously shared an editing link, consider replacing that link with this new view, only one wherever you posted it to keep permissions consistent. When you're ready, copy the updated link from the sharing panel and send it to your audience.